Contact.
Offer is exactly what it sounds like. An official offer to buy or trade your car. Just enter your VIN or license plate, answer a few questions about your car's history, and what kind of condition it's in. In minutes, you'll receive an offer to sell or trade your car that you can be sure is fair. Then choose a dealer to purchase your car and schedule a time to meet. For all of the it's, KBB.com.
Ever wonder what the animals of the California Academy of Sciences are up to after hours? Well, now's your chance. Join the California Academy of Sciences at Science Under the Sea Stars on August 3rd and celebrate their bioluminescent animals and plants in an enlightening night that'll be fun for the whole family. Brighten up with Academy biologists and some of their favorite glowing specimens. Experience 3 immersive planetarium shows and more. August 3rd at the California Academy of Sciences. Academy.org/kidsnight for tickets and more information.
Goodbye, bench press. Adios, squat rack. Fare thee well, kettlebell.
Hey, Kellen, need a spot?
No, Jake from State Farm. I'm just saying good gym membership.
What? Don't give up what you love. State Farm has options like insuring your home and both.
Nice. Hey, can I buy you a protein shake or a granola bar?
For surprisingly great rates, like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Call or go to statefarm.com for a quote today.
Mom, Dad, you should shop Amazon for back to school and save some money. See, I'm currently obsessed with superheroes and need all the superhero stuff. Superhero lunchbox, superhero backpack, but next year, it'll be something else. Not to spend a fortune and shop low prices for school on Amazon. Okay, good chat. Amazon, spend less, smile more.
Swing by JCPenney. The Black Friday and July deals are hot, hot, hot. Like $21.99 Arizona jeans and Home Expressions quick dry bath towels, only $4.99. Get them while they last. Or check the JCP app for an extra 30% off coupon to use across the store. Buy online and pick up curbside to make life even easier. Shopping is back. JCPenney offers through 7/24. Black Friday and July deals excluded from coupon. Conditions and exclusions apply. See store or jcp.com for details.
Summer grilling is here. Visit sizzledInCalifornia.com for money-saving offers on beef, sweepstakes, recipes, videos, and more. Kick off your summer grilling greatness at sizzledInCalifornia.com from the California Beef Council.
Now with Xfinity, you'll get unlimited internet with gigs. With a 2-year internet rate required and no equipment fees. Talk about knock your socks off. Plus, a free Flex 4K streaming box. It's like hitting the streaming jackpot. It's all just $50 a month when you add Xfinity Mobile with unlimited data. A price that's truly jaw-dropping.
Literally.
The speed you need at a price you want. Value that's simply bananas. That's the new Xfinity Supersonic Bundle. It's kind of a big deal. Go to Xfinity.com/big, call 1-800-XFINITY, or visit a...
Limited time offer. Restrictions apply. Requires paperless billing and auto pay. New gigabit internet customers only. Xfinity Mobile requires post-pay Xfinity internet up to 24. Regular rates apply to all services and devices.
It's Marcus from the Marcus and Corey Morning Show. Isn't it awesome that you can listen to Star 1013 on the free iHeartRadio app wherever you bring your phone? I love it too. I'm a huge fan of podcasts too, and lately, rewatch podcasts have been popping up everywhere. Now you can listen as the stars from your favorite shows like Yellowstone, Always Sunny in Philadelphia, Boy Meets World, and so many more break down each episode and take you behind the scenes. How deep do you want to go? Check them out. Download the free iHeartRadio app and discover music, radio, and podcasts you'll love.
Star 1013.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a try. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. When we can, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about sweet and sour and how your family doing okay. And leaving it in the taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby.